Bubbles by Chutki.
Hey friends, I'm Coco the conductor. Today we're going on a magical train ride to learn our numbers. Ready to count from 1 to 10.
Can be. 3 fun balls bounce up and down, rolling through the busy town. 4 chirping birds fly in the air, flapping wings without a care. 5 fast cars go zoom, 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 racing past with engine brooms. 6 balloons float way up high.
Let's solve a puzzle. We have 3 blue train cars.
7 cars.
You know how many cars now? Look, the clock has 12 numbers. This house has 4 windows. Can you find numbers around your room? Great job, friends.